Hello everyone, I'm Sharon and welcome to HackSprint. HackSprint brings you the Zero Proof platform, an open-source security ecosystem designed to help developers, researchers, and security teams understand their digital attack surface. Today we're exploring ScanDog, Zero Proof's attack surface intelligence engine. ScanDog can scan web portals and repositories, discover endpoints and services, analyze routing history, generate flowchart diagrams, and provide detailed security reports from a single interface. Powered by more than 90 open-source CLI tools, ScanDog automates reconnaissance, asset discovery, API mapping, and infrastructure analysis, helping teams gain deeper visibility into their applications. From attack surface discovery to comprehensive reporting, Zero-Proof ScanDog transforms complex security analysis into actionable insights. Let's see how Zero-Proof ScanDog works. First, open the repository and check out the project link. Once you're on the ScanDog dashboard, you'll find a search bar where you can paste a GitHub repository URL. Simply enter the repository link and click Scan. ScanDog will begin analyzing the project and building a comprehensive overview of its attack surface and architecture. Once the scan is complete, you can explore discovered endpoints, application architecture, integrated services, CLI tools, provers, and other components being used throughout the project. The platform helps you understand how different parts of an application connect and interact. Beyond ScanDog, you can also explore the Arsenal Tools section. Here you'll find utilities for traffic analysis, URL and proxy inspection, engine evasion research, routing analysis, and advanced scanning capabilities through the TSC Tools ecosystem. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or security enthusiast, Zero Proof provides a centralized environment for reconnaissance, analysis, and security research. Feel free to explore the platform, test the tools, and let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, keep building. We will see you soon with our next project.